Hey, I'm Rachel Ngom from she'smakinganimpact.com, and today I'm answering your question. This was a really good one. How can I best brand my business without mentioning my MLM company name? You talked about this on one of your podcasts. Okay, so I was in network marketing for, well, technically I still am, not actively building, but still generating a full-time income, which is crazy. But so what I did was in the beginning, I knew nothing. I was 23. I just saw successful people in my company, and I literally copy and pasted what they posted and put it on Facebook. Not how you have a successful business, okay? So that's what I did in the beginning. But as I learned more about branding myself, I invested in different courses and programs like Marketing Impact Academy and different things like that. And I just learned and grew a ton over the years. I knew how important it was to brand myself. And so I created a blog, and I did not mention my company or anything about it on that blog. When I posted on social media, I didn't mention the company. I didn't mention the products I was using. So if you go to my blog, you can go to fitwithrachel.com, my fitness blog. That's still 1 year later, still generates, there's over 50,000 people going to that blog every month, 34,000 of it coming from Pinterest. 1 year later, I haven't touched that blog in a year. I'm like, crazy, mind blown. But you can go and you'll see I branded myself as an expert in keto, eating high fat, low carb, and intermittent fasting. So everything that I talked about was about eating high fat, low carb, and intermittent fasting. So what happens is I teach this in depth in my course, Pin with Purpose. People come from Pinterest searching for keto. They land on my blog. I'm able to build a relationship with them, add value to them through keto intermittent fasting, right? Okay. So they get on my email list because I have a free keto meal plan or something, free keto grocery list, something like that. They're on my email list. That's where I can build a relationship with them. You have to build your email list. So important. So on my email list, I'm able to have what we call a nurture sequence. It's basically an automation where they get an email from me every day for 5 days, 7 days. I don't know what I had set up, where I'm able to invite them to my free fitness community that I had on Facebook. So I was able to add them as a friend. Like literally a lot of times they were adding me as friends. I still have people adding me on like my Fitness Pal and joining that free fitness community a year later. Crazy. So from there, I'm able to build a relationship with them. So I'm using Pinterest to brand myself, get them into my funnel. And then when they're in my funnel, they're in my fitness community, that's where I'm able to post free challenges. And then in the free challenge, the next step would be, okay, now I can help you get started in my challenge group, get started in these other things that I have going on, and educate them more about why they need my products. And so it all started with attracting them in to my funnel and then building a relationship with them and then getting them started on our products and services if it was a good fit for them. And then once they got results, getting them to become a distributor on our team. So I was able to sponsor, I think, over 400 people on our team, which is crazy. But you can see this is all automated. All of it was automated with the exception of the building relationship, but it was done one-to-many where I was able to serve people in that Facebook community through our challenges, and then they would sign up. So I hope that gives you just a little idea of what you can do. Don't brand your company. Don't try to sell all your products and post it all over Facebook. Be yourself. Brand you, add massive value to your audience with a topic that's related to the industry of the MLM that you're in. But don't be a slimy person saying, buy my product, because that doesn't work. If you add massive value, people become interested in what you're doing and want to be a part of it. So I hope you found that helpful. I have so many more tips on how to build your business, use Pinterest, like getting that funnel and all that stuff on the blog at she'smakinganimpact.com. So I'll see you there. Bye.